So, here again, 2009 BMW X5 3.0 gasoline. I had the electric cooling fan for the radiator blowing at high speed. And I was like, what the heck? So then it seemed like 5 minutes later, but it was probably like a minute later, the screen for overheating on the monitor here said excessive heat. So I turned over, or I pulled over, turned the car off, let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm like, what the heck? So then I'm like, well, I'm running just about on time for work, so I'm going to start the car again. And it started. And then the fan must have kicked in, or the cooling pump, electric cool pump must have come back. Now, I thought it was a miscommunication error, but it's saying it's a speed deviation with the code, which I will get in a moment. But I'm about a minute away from where I'm going to take it and then switch cars. But I'll show you the codes, but it's got to be the cooling pump. So I'm going to take it out and then get a replacement from FCP, I think it's called, or ECP. I think it's Euro Company Parts or something, and replace this bad boy again. I don't think it's a communication error, because I think it would say communication error. I got to find out if there's a code with BMW for a communication error, but this is saying speed deviation. So I was going through ChatGPT, and it's saying that the water pump is going bad. So currently it's running fine, but I don't think it's the cooling fan is bad, because that usually said that it was bad, but it's the relay, and that usually would say it's the fan, but this is saying that it's the cooling pump. And I'll get the code right when I pull over here in about 20 seconds. I'll show you what I got for the code. Now, it doesn't pop up on the screen like a check engine light or anything like that, because that's not what BMW does. So I will just be a minute here. Okay, so now I'm gonna park, but usually it runs at about 53 RPMs. And this is about the right temperatures for everything. So I'm gonna turn it off, because oh my God knows what's gonna happen. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back on the scanner and then show you guys the code. Let's see here. I'll go back. Okay, so we're gonna go read DTC. And this is what we have. Electric cool pump speed deviation. History 2E81. So, actually I could use ChatGPT here. Let's see if we go code search. No internet. I'm close to the place though. Let's see here. Oh, it looks like we're there. Okay, let's go to chat. GPT. Let's do that. Still no internet. Okay. Well, yeah, I can't show you what else. Let's see here. Why it's saying no internet? Let's see. that's turned off. Let's go like this. Oh, here we go. So internet now. There we go. Okay. And actually, I think I've had that problem before. Look at that. Keeps on saying that. Okay. So let's go to Chat GPT. Okay. Let's see here. So we're going to go. Looks like it's confused. Let's see if we can get rid of some of this stuff. Okay. Let's go here. Okay. And then we're going to go Chat GPT. Let's go to all. And then I did do a search. I mean, first they ordered me, I called the company and they ordered and they sent me, or they were going to send me actually they sent me the wrong one because this is a 4 like channel heat and cooling. And they sent me the one for like an X3. So this is an X5 with the 4 climate controls. Come on. Why isn't this working? There we go. Okay. So BMW X5 2009. I wonder why it's not showing up. BMW X5 2009. BMW BMW X5 2009. 3.0 GASS ERROR CODE. Okay. And then let's go back to E81. There it is. 2E8 indicates water pump. The computer detects the water pump is not spinning at the command speed, often resulting in overheating or radiator fan running at max speed in the car entering lit mode. It's usually signs that the water pump is failing and requires replacement. This is going to be... Anyways, okay. So now, let's go to... It's called FCP, I think. Euro. There it is. Okay. And then we're going to go 2009. 2009 BMW X5 submodel is the 3.0. Okay. There we go. And we're going to go to cooling systems. And we're going to go to water pump. So the one that they sent me, let's see here. So it needs to be the 4-zone automatic climate. And this is the one I'm thinking that they sent me, but it's not that one because the ratings weren't very good. So it was actually, this is the one that they sent me. So in this rating was not very good. They said, let's go to the ratings here if I can find out. Reviews is probably what it is. Replace the old pump, and this one lasted 6 months. It's throwing water pump deviation codes and overheating. Will help me with it. They said to buy a new one, they would reimburse me, but the price has gone up over 200, so why do I need to be out that difference because they sold me a faulty one? I wish they would put the code that they had on there. That would be decent of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to contact them by email because they did that before and they told me what was wrong. So I did that and that fixed the problem. So now I'm going to contact them again, send them an email, and find out what they say. And then we'll go from there. But the first one they were going to send me, let's go back. That's, China. What the heck? Huh. So the first one they sent me, and I gave them actually the actual code for it too. See, this one says without adaptive or zone 4 climate. This is the one they sent me. And that was not the right one. That one was not the right one. Because it says without adaptive drive for climate. And it needed to be the adaptive one. But I think what they did is they just gave me the other one because they need to get rid of them. And the only way they can do it is by getting... That's with adaptive drive. See that WO without. It's very important. Now, it'll run without the adaptive drive because I had it in there because my dad was having some... he wasn't following everything. But with adaptive would be better because it would keep it from overheating. But this all happened. But I've been going to school too, so it's hard to keep everything going. So, but I will get back to you guys and we'll go from there. I wish I showed you all the... oh, actually here. I'm going to show you the... let's go back. Well, I showed you the code here. So this is the code. But this is just your normal... one second here. I think there's one screen that'll show it better. If we go to health reports, see, it's this one here. Okay, so it's this one here. Oops, we'll go back. I like this screen the most for some reason, but all this other stuff is nonsense. This is all ridiculous. None of it matters. And then heat exchange, that's nothing. It doesn't mean anything. So, all right, we shall see what happens next. Talk to you guys soon.